ngiyabasupport impela laba kodwa ake sikhulume kancane nganayo into yabo illegal foreigners in South Africa, because I can see that's a very touchy subject here in South Africa kulamalanga. Abantu bakhuluma ngayo kakhulu, and uma bathi bazovotela laba amanye ama reasons wabo ukuthi bazovotela laba ukuthi they think laba they will get rid of illegal foreigners. Angenilandise kancane. Akuhambe yobuka umlando ukuthi amaNdiya afika kanjani eKZN. Uphinde ufuna umlando ukuthi bagcwala kanjani futhi abanye abantu bokufika la South Africa nje. The first batch nje abantu abaningi bokufika la South Africa ukuthi bebafike kanjani. Bebalethwe ibona laba. So laba abanankinga nama illegal foreigners or ama foreigners nje. They don't have a problem nabo. So ungazitholi usubavotela ngesizathu sokuthi ucabanga ukuthi they will get rid of ama illegal foreigners. No, they won't. Ukuba khona walabantu laba kuyabenefita onke ama politicians ala eSouth Africa. Yingakho lingeke iqembu eli against abantu bokufika. Iqembu engisalibonile nje lingathi li against abantu bokufika futhi limile lapho kusese Action SA
ne Operation Dudula.
Ningalenzi lela phutha lokuvotela iparty just because iya trenda or nivotela iparty just because iqamba amanga kini yathi against ama illegal foreigners. Most of these parties, they are pan-Africanist. If they are not pan-Africanist, actually let me talk about these ones because I wanted to talk about these ones. Ngizobuya kule ama pan-Africanist. Bengisanda ukukhumbuza ukuthi abantu abaningi bokufika bafika ngabelungu. Ngoba abelungu bebafuna ini? I-cheap labor. I-cheap labor iyona ekwazi ukwenza. Niyazi nathi abaqashi bethu la South Africa ibona abelungu abaqashi. So ukuthi kube khona i-cheap labor kuyabasebenzela bona. Ne? Kuyabasebenzela bona. Kungangabasebenzela abantu abama South Africans laba ngabasebenzi but kuyabasebenzela abelungu ukuthi kube nama cheap labors. So isizathu sokuqala ukuthi bafaka ama foreigners la South Africa ekuqaleni bebawafaka ngoba ama South Africans they were advocating for this thing yokuthi akube nama labor laws. Ama labor laws azokwazi ukustipulate ukuthi umuntu ufuna akhokhelwe malini nge-hour emsebenzini futhi kufuneka kube nokuthi ilunch yakhe ithatha isikhathi singakanani. Yonke lemithetho lesinayo kwa labor manje. Uyangithola? So mawungathatha ukubheka namanje ayikho into abelungu abayishoyo against ama illegal foreigners. Abelungu nje bonke at large they are not saying anything about ama illegal foreigners or ama foreigners nje. They're not against it because kuma farms wabo basebenzisa bona vela ama illegal foreigners and bawakhokhele le mali le ebafisa ngathi ama South Africans bangawakhokhela yona. Uyangithola? So uma bangathi bona baba against ama illegal foreigners then it means now they are against themselves. Ngoba kwaseqaleni balanda ama illegal foreigners for ukuzo replace ama South Africans emsebenzini ngesizathu sokuthi ama South Africans afuna ukimplementa lento yama labor laws. Lento iyabaphazamisa abaqashi. And abaqashi bethu abaningi masiphinde siba honest ibona abelungu abaqashi bethu emisebenzini. So ungavoteli abelungu ngesizathu sokuthi wena uthemba ukuthi bazokhipha ama foreigners eSouth Africa. Akubasebenzeli ukuphuma kwama foreigners eSouth Africa. Kunalokho yinto against ibona because ibona aba own ama industries, ibona futhi mawungathatha ukubheka ukuthi baqashwa ubani, bobani abaqasha ama illegal foreigners mawafika la kuma farms kuma industries. Ubani oqasha ama illegal foreigners? Ibona belungu. Nezinye izizwe ke lezi ama China nabanye. Uyangizwa? So ngithi kunina asibavoteleni impela la. But ungabavoteli ngethemba lokuthi bazokhipha ama illegal foreigners. Ungabi nalelo themba, lisusa lelo themba lelo. Lisusa impela lelo themba lelo. Abantu niyakhumbula nivotela u-18 nina nitshentse u-18 uzokhipha ama illegal foreigners. That's why ngithi ningavoti ngokwe hype. I-hype iyabheda i-hype because iyakwazi ukumislead abantu. U-18 one misleader la wathi bahambe mafika eParliament wadlala. Uthini manje u-18 ngama illegal foreigners? Ikhona nje into eyodwa kayisho nje. Lutho. So ningabovota because of i-hype. U-18 wangena eParliament nge-hype. Into esengifisa ukuyazi manje ukuthi uzoyisustain kanjani lento yongena eParliament nge-hype. because phela ubaphoxile abantu bebamvotelile ukuthi yena uzokhipha ama-illegal foreigners la South Africa. Ubaphoxile azange asayenza lento leyo. Ungena eParliament, othola imali, othola ama-blue light. So ayasibuye-ke la kuma-Pan-Africanist. Ama-parties afana nabo-MK bama-Pan-Africanist labo bantu. Ama-parties afana nabo-EFF, angithi nje i-most yawo nje ama-black parties angama-Pan-Africanist. Labo bantu labo abantu abafise ngathi ama-Afrika angaphilisana ndawonye, of which is not wrong leyo nto leyo. But into eyenza ukuthi kube wrong ukuthi ama-South Africans awawufuni lowo mqondo lowo. Ama-South Africans awayifuni leyo nto leyo ye-Pan-Africanist. Ama-South Africans sewayisho lento kaningi athi if unifuna ukwenza u-Pan-Africanist or if unifuna uku-unite Africa, ambani uyi-unite le Nigeria, why nifuna uku-unite i-Africa la e-South Africa? Ngoba phela ziningi indawo enga-unite kuze i-Africa, why nifuna uku-unite la e-South Africa, kungani? So nje hayi ngiphinde ngiliphinde leli, uma nifuna ukuvota nivotele iphathi, ivoteleni because niyayithanda and nibone ama-policies wayo. Into yokuqala nje mawuzovotela iphathi, qala ubuka ukuthi izoku-affecta before ubuka ama-benefits. Awuqale ubuka ukuthi le phathi engizoyivotela izongi-affecta phi, ukuphi la izofike nje ingihlukumeze khona, bese uyavota-ke. But ungavoti ngesizathu sokuthi ubone i-hype, ubone i-trend, or uzwe abantu bathi hayi they will get rid of illegal foreigners. What? Ngibani othi bazoxosha ama-illegal foreigners laba bantu? Ubani othi they will get rid of ama-illegal foreigners? So awuqala uqaphele lento leyo and then bese uyazibuka ukuthi uzovotela ini. Angifuni ukunidukisa kahle kahle. Ngisenda this message, ngenzele video le because I can see ukuthi abantu abaningi baphusha i-message ebangayazi. Yeah, they will get rid of illegal foreigners. Ngibani osho njalo? Ngibani osho njalo? Inkathi kungena ama-illegal foreigners oqala bewafakwa ubani? Bawafakela ziphi izathu? Manje akhona lama-labor laws abelungu abangawafuni. Because abelungu, they want to employ as much people as they can so that bazophusha i-production. Uyangithola? So mabaphusha i-production, ama-South Africans awafuni ukwenza lento leyo because afuna ukuthi makwenziwe izinto ngokomthetho alright, ukuthi you'll give me a fair pay, like ninikeza imali efair ukuze ngikwazi ukwenza lo msebenzi lo, ngizophusha le production yakho ofuna ukuyiphusha. So abelungu abahambisana nalokho. So asingakhohlisani kuleyo nto leyo. Mina bafethu, mina ngiyayenza content yepolitiki kodwa ngifuna ukukhohlisa abantu. Into engayifuni nje ukukhohlisa abantu, okunye ngiyakukhuluma impela and ngiyahambisana nezinto eziningi abantu abahambisana nazo. Kodwa ukukhohlisana angifuni ukuparticipate kuleyo.
The FF Plus is saying to black people ukuthi asindingi, you can keep your votes. Lochana, ngubafana msiza lo. One thing about me, I will never tell you ukuthi which political party you must vote for in South Africa. So guys, kunale trend le, especially lapha ku comment section ukuthi vote for i-FF Plus, because apparently abantu abamnyama bane campaign abayenza here on social media ukuthi we're gonna vote for i-Freedom Front Plus because asisayifuni i-ANC or asisayifuni i-GNU le ekhona manje. So lapha in Pretoria there was by-elections, ne? And then those by-elections uDr Mulder uthi in short kengibeke nje ngendlela ukuthi nizoyi-understanda ngakhona. Firstly, there was a question that was posed by somebody ukuthi kune trend on social media njengoba ngichazile. So he explained and answered that question ukuthi number one, thina si-FF Plus asizokuchange. We are not going to change our policies wethu nama-mission wethu because of sifuna ukusatisfy umuntu omnyama. And futhi number two, angeke senze izinto ezifuna babantu abamnyama or ezifuna yilabantu abasikhethako ukuthi bafuna ukusivotela. Thina sizokwenza izinto ngendlela yethu, the way besifuna ukuthi izinto zenzeke ngakhona. So in short, i-FF Plus ikhombe labantu abamnyama laba ebe bafuna ukuyivotela the middle finger ukuthi amavote wenu asiwadingi. Let's look at the mission FF Plus ukuthi kahle kahle mission yabo yini as this political party. The mission of this political party it's straightforward banana bekhaya. The Freedom Front Plus is irrevocably committed to ukuthi izokuthuthukisa ama-community, in particular the Afrikaners, amakhuwa abelungu. So ukuthi nangabe kunama-job opportunities, they will put umlungu and then umuntu omnyama uza ngemuva, if ever they want to accommodate umuntu omnyama. And then internationally recognized right self-determination, territorial and or otherwise. The maintenance, the protection and the promotion of their rights and interests. Whose rights and interests are they promoting? The Afrikaners, as well as the promotion of the self-determination of any other community bound by common language and cultural heritage. Do I need to say more? Yazi kunenye into kumele ni understand and the comprehension.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Do you guys think ukuthi kuyoba kuyi-mistake uma abantu bangavotela lo mlungu lo? Because people are saying ukuthi they are tired of voting for bantu abamnyama, bayasicindzetela, abaninzi abanema-foreigners, kulethwa ama-foreigners la South Africa. Into leyo nqoba lokho nje ukuthi kuvotelwe mlungu. Do you guys think ukuthi kuvotela i-VF Plus it's gonna be a mistake? Or do you think ukuthi kuyoba kukusinzisa nokusita eSouth Africa lokho? Wena uqabangani, uthini imbono wakho? Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.